Hello, welcome to the third project of this tutorial. In this project, we will make, we will use the same circuit, but we'll again change the program. I'm trying to teach you or explain you the different way of writing the program using the same circuit. So in the third project, what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the way it blinks. Means the first LED, it will blink twice, then it will go to second LED, second will blink twice, then will third LED, third will blink twice, then fourth LED, and likewise. But blink twice and shift to right. That's the name of the project that I have kept. So let's start making and being a good programmer so that we all can remember what kind of code we are writing for. So I'm writing here code for blink twice, and shift shift to right or shift to left. So blink twice and shift to left. So it will blink the LED, the first LED it will blink twice, and then we'll go to second LED, second will blink twice, then we'll go to third LED. So this code that we have written, we'll be using it. Let me see how we can use it. But in this project, I'm going to introduce you a kind of loop. There is a loop that's called repeat, or a block that's called repeat block. Repeat block, it takes one argument, that is number. So whatever number you write, so I'm going to write 2. Whatever we write inside this repeat block, this will get repeated 2 times. If you write here 3 and you write something here, that thing will get repeated 3 times. So now what I'm going to do is, let me make it little down, and I'll keep it here at the first, as a first block that to be executed. And I want first to blink this LED, that is rightmost LED, that is 7 number pin. So this time what will happen is, whatever we have brought repeat block, and 2 means it will repeat these 4 blocks 2 times. The 4 blocks, that is set pin 7 to high, wait, set pin 7 to low, and wait. These instructions or these blocks will get executed 2 times. So it will turn off, it will turn on, off, on, off. 2 times is done, then it will exit from the loop and it will do the next job. So the next task is, we have blinked the first LED twice. Now it's time to blink second LED twice. So what I'm going to do is, I'll just delete this entire block, and I'll simply make the duplicate of this, and I'll drop it below. Fine. And now I'll change only the pin number, because the same I'm going to do with LED that is connected to pin number 8. So you imagine how fantastic this is going to be. Now again, the LED 2 will blink 2 times before moving to next, right? Likewise, let's repeat for LED number that is LED number 3, that is connected to pin number 9. So I'll change the pin number from 8 to pin number 9. Now let me make duplicate of it, and I'm going to paste it below. And here I'll change the pin number 9 to pin number 10, because it's time to blink the LED that is connected to the pin number 10. And now let me do it for pin number 11 as well, that is the second rightmost LED. So pin number 11, let me choose the pin number. I think something gone wrong, it might be a little busy. Okay, fine. So here we are, and let me quickly upload it once more. Sometime it happens that while you're writing code, or due to network issues or something. Tinkercad is an online simulator. We need not to download any kind of software. This is all online simulator. We write code and we make circuit all online. Okay, fine. So here is the circuit to the left side, and to the right we are writing code. Let me increase the window size here. That's fine. And here we were. So we had done the duplicate repeat block. Yeah, let me place the repeat block here, and this time before repeating, let me just drop it in the bin, and let's repeat for pin number 11. So here it is for pin number 11, and let me make it copy. Let me make a duplicate of this, and now lastly and finally to pin number 12. Yeah, pin number 12. Let me quickly go through, is there any bugs or any issues? 10, 11, 9, 8, 7. I think it's boom, it's done. It's done. So let's test the code. So in this, what is supposed to happen? The rightmost LED, it will start blinking first. It will blink twice, then we'll move to next. Let's test the simulation. So I think it's happening. As you can see the screen, the LED is blinking twice before moving to next. Once it is done, it just starts again from the top. And let me quickly explain you once more the code that I have that is written here, so it will be easy for all the audience to understand. So what we have done, I took a repeat block, and inside the repeat block I have written four instructions. One is to turn it on, wait, then turn it off, wait, so we can see it blinking, turning or on and off. And then after this blocks has been executed two times, it is moving to next repeat block, and the next repeat block, because it is just in the bottom of the top block. And then these four blocks or this four instruction will get executed two times, and then it will move to next, and then next, and then next, likewise. And once it is all the blocks are executed, it will start from the top again. So Arduino program is single threaded. It will do the top and will go to bottom. Once it is done, again it will go. You can break the execution in between as well. For that, there is a different instruction that we will cover in the next lesson. I hope this was simple for you, and I'll move very soon. I'll move to the next project.